Hey there, welcome to the video. Today we're diving into a fascinating problem that many AVR enthusiasts encounter: the challenge of identifying missing AVR instructions by device. It can be quite the puzzle, especially when different sources don't seem to agree on which instructions are supported by which devices. Now, let's talk about the solution to this elusive problem. The key lies in exploring the properties of AVR devices as recognized by stock AVR GCC. By delving into files like avrmcus.def and avrdevices.cc, we can uncover crucial information about which instructions are supported by different core families. For example, the presence of flags like mul indicates support for a range of multiplication instructions, while specific flash size thresholds determine the availability of instructions like jmp and call. In summary, navigating the world of missing AVR instructions is no easy task, but by delving into compiler sources like AVR GCC, we can unveil valuable insights into which instructions are supported by various AVR devices. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech mysteries you'd like us to explore. Happy coding!